This is Earth Radio. And now here's human music.
Hello YouTube, it's Wave Vlogs here today, and I usually don't make these small little videos, but I'm on a nature walk right now, and the creepiest thing ever, there's a swing attached to these two trees out in the middle of nowhere. I'm surrounded by forest. What? Why? It's just a swing attached to two trees. This is literally going inside the tree on both sides. What the heck? This is creepy. Can I still sit in it? Dude, it's gonna break on me if I sit on this. What? It works! Dude, I'm gonna be swinging on this. I'm gonna fall back and knock my ass out. Excuse my language. But yeah. What? I mean, the view is nice, just sitting here swinging. That's so ridiculous. Just a swing out in the middle of nowhere on two of these trees. This makes no sense.